how to withdraw money from crypto.com exchange to your bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your crypto.com account, and after that you need to activate your bank account. By activation, I mean that you need to link your bank account with crypto.com, and for that you'll have to deposit some funds on crypto.com using your bank account. And after that your bank account will be linked with crypto.com, and now you can withdraw your funds. For that, just simply click on this option of wallet at the bottom, then select the option of fiat wallet. Now click on the option of transfer. After that, select the option of withdraw. Now it will prompt you to select the currency. Just select the currency of your country, and this way you would be able to select the amount that you want to withdraw. Just type the amount and withdraw, and it will take around 2 to 4 business days to process your withdrawal request, and after that you should see the amount in your bank account. But make sure that you have the minimum required amount in order to withdraw the funds, and this is how you would be able to transfer the funds from crypto.com exchange to your bank account. And that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.